All right, it's kind of hot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about this. You see that? Grass, right? So over time, my driveway, because when I first moved here, when I first bought the house, maybe I didn't notice it, but there's like no grass. But then all of a sudden, I started to see grass, between the edges, right? And it goes all along to the outside. So this one, I think it was cut last week, probably 2 weeks ago. So my neighbor's over here. She has like a gardener, I believe, who comes by maybe every week or so, or maybe every 2 weeks. So when the last couple of times when he came over, I just asked him, hey, you know what? Can you just cut this part for me? You know what I mean? And a little bit over there, And then I just give him some money, At first, I just had him do this, right? And I gave him like maybe $10. And then he said, sure. He was like really happy to do it. And I had him do it like for 4 times. And I was thinking to myself, that's like $40. I can do it myself, right? So then what happened is I went onto Facebook Marketplace and I found a trimmer. Let me walk you to the trimmer. So this is the trimmer that I found for $70 on Marketplace. It looks like some kind of a return item, maybe. It came in a box, but the box was like really damaged. But other than that, I tested it and it's good. It does not come with the battery. So I have my own battery, so I just slap it on there and it's working fine. And then I just put it together, it's really quite simple. This one I had to put together with with the hex nut. And this one right here, you just remove this one. Because this one is actually folded in half. So like after you're done cutting, you can just fold it and put it away. And then I just installed it. And for some reason, this one, it actually came with this. So I thought it didn't have it. So I guess maybe someone bought it, didn't like it, or it doesn't fit, or whatever. It looks like they didn't even try to cut anything. And I just used it and cut a little bit of it. So now I'm gonna let you guys see how I actually cut it and see how it goes. As you can see, I started to trim a little bit over here already. And so far, by looking at the cut, it looks really nice. But I'm gonna let you guys see how I cut from here. See, as you can see, it's really, really nice, really good. And this trimmer is not that heavy. It's well balanced. Look at that, really nice, very nice, very clean, right? So I'm gonna do a little bit here and then to the outside. All right. So I would say after maybe 15 minutes, we're done with it. But now we need to kind of like sweep it together, blow it, and then we're pretty much done. So right now I'm just gonna walk you guys to go through really quick to see a close up. Right now it's really hot. We're in California, even though it's like almost September, but the weather is still really hot. As you can see, I'm sweating already of 15 minutes in the sun, but we're gonna see how it cuts, okay? Again, so your situations might not be the same as mine, because mine's just a little, on the edges. It's not something major. So, but as far as I can tell, it's really clean, almost like the same thing that the professional gardener cut. So as you can see through over there, which is not bad, you know what I mean? So we're gonna use this thing and to blow it. Just put it in the corner together, right? And then thank you, baby. You're so helpful. Thank you. So again, like if you have a lot of like DEWALT batteries sitting around, you can just slap onto this one and then you're good to go. You already gone? Really dusty too. All right, everything's done. Well, just gonna show you guys how to use this real quick. So to use it, this one has speed low and high. All right, and then for the safety wise, you gotta press this and then press the lever, this one at the same time. That's how you activate it. So basically, is this a good buy? Do I like it? My first impressions with DEWALT has always been great. I have no complaint. I got the trimmer, I got the blower, I got the drills, the impact. I really like DEWALT and rigid. And this one I think this is the only one that I bought used. I was gonna get rigid for the lifetime warranty, but they're too expensive. They don't have any promotions right now. So I got this DEWALT. But as far as $70, and if you're having extra batteries laying somewhere, you know what I mean? And if you're like me, you like to work on yourself, like cleaning up your house, fixing your own car, this would be great. But if you have a lot of money and if time is valuable for you, then it's not worth it. Because right now I spend like 15, 20 minutes out in the sun just to save $10, right? But again, everyone's situation is different. I like to work on my house. I like to maintain it. I like to do everything, and I like savings. You know what I mean? Because a penny saved is a penny earned. As far as the machine wise, it's easy to install. Not hard at all. Any like couple of screws you put together, and then you slap on the battery, and you're good to go. And if you're not familiar with how to use these things, you can just YouTube it real quick, and then a lot of people that shows you how to do it. But it's very simple. Use common sense, guys. For me, as you know, I didn't use I'm supposed to have a goggle, just eyeglasses, just for safety, but I didn't have it, So that's something that if you're gonna do it, you're working something, make sure you protect yourself, right? But other than that, I love these things. I highly recommend it. If you can find it like for $70-$80, somewhere in marketplace, go for it. I think they have like different type of versions. This is the XR ones. They have like the 60 volt, the flex, all kinds, and they have the regular ones too. So in this video, I'm only speaking about this model. But as far as it is for the muddy wise, and it's great. So yeah, guys, if you're watching it all the way to the end, thank you for watching. If you love the channel, like the video, make sure you give a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more content. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.